Hello everybody and welcome to this video. The purpose of this material is to explain to you how to access to the link where you will be able to meet me in order to clarify your questions or go over different aspects in the course during my office hours. And number two, talk about how the office hours are distributed for these 2 last days before Semana Santa and how they will be after Semana Santa. Let's get started. Students in the English 5 Section 18 course, remember that when you click on Clase Remota, you will always find the links to access or to join the different sessions. They will be available every single day at the time of the class. But during my office hours, that for this week of the bimester and for the rest of the bimester will be Tuesdays and Thursdays from 10 to 11, you could always meet me here during that time. So you click on the course room. This will always be available, and then you will follow the process as when we have the sessions every day in class in the other links. So remember, you click here, then join course, and then you will see over there that I be waiting for you from 10 to 11, both on Tuesdays and Thursdays. For students in English 9, remember that you will have the same possibility. So via remote session, Clase Remota or BB Collaborate, you will click over there and you will find a link to the room that will always be available to go over the different aspects that I just mentioned. Teacher, I have a question. Yes, student. What will happen after Semana Santa? As well as you guys, I have a very hectic and tight agenda, but I will enable or open rather, I would rather open other spaces in my agenda so that you can talk to me perhaps in the evenings, okay? But once we come back from Semana Santa, I will let you know which shifts I'll be available in the afternoon so that you can come and talk to me about any aspect you would like to comment on or talk to me about before the bimester is over or before we have our first examinations. My best wishes for you. Good luck.